G'day and welcome back to Rusty Inspirations. Today we're going to mow the back lawn with the Model 45, but not before we clean up this mess. And them things are a pain in the butt. You going to climb there and cut it off for me?
No, you are.
Alright, let's get to it. Fairly big. Can you lift that?
I think I'll be strong enough.
You want me to do it?
Yes, please. I think I can do the little one though. You can do it with one hand.
They get big quick, don't they? Yeah, I've got a heap more seed pods that
That flicked me in the face.
need cutting down up there. But that is a job for another day because I don't really have time. What are we doing tomorrow, Layla?
We're going away on a holiday.
We're going on holiday, so we're going to
For about 5 days.
get this lawn mowed, cleaned up and mowed. And yeah, you wouldn't believe it. We've literally just had 25 mils of rain probably an hour ago. Couldn't believe it now. The sun's out. It's
A high humidity.
it is very, very humid. And yeah, I think we had another 11 mil last night, which is pretty impressive for Port Augusta.
Oh, we're finding lots of stick bugs at the moment.
Yeah, that's right. We did. We seen another stick bug, didn't we? Where did he go?
I tried to pick him up and then he went flying.
He's taken off, has he?
Yeah.
Yeah, plenty of stick bugs around. All right, let's clean this mess up and get our
Right.
mow on, eh? You gonna mow the lawn?
I'll try. I'll get out my mini mower.
Go on then. Tell you what, them little Isoto 240 volt pole saws, not bad. I think they're like $100, eh? And that's about all I need to spend because I don't use it enough otherwise. So I was saying we've still got a few more pods to cut down, but we'll have to leave for another date. And you probably know just as well as I do that another date means when one opens up and makes a mess all over my lawn. That's when it'll happen, guaranteed. So the lawn overall is looking pretty good, would you say, Layla?
Yeah.
Definitely due for a mow. Yep.
But it's not as tall as the front lawn.
Nah, that's pretty tall at the moment, eh? We got the robot cutting the front lawn. Do a video on that shortly. We're gonna go mow with the catcher today because we've got mess everywhere, don't we, Layla?
And don't forget with my mini mower as well.
You gonna use the catcher?
No, there's no catcher.
There's no catcher. All right, let's get into it, eh?
That's a lot of grass.
Yes, yeah. I'm glad I used to catch it. What do you got there?
All the grass clippings, it's a lot.
It is a lot. Yeah. Obviously that rain done something, didn't it?
It grew your lawn.
I didn't mow it yesterday, did I? But I groomed it and mowed it 2 days ago. So that's 1.5 days. That's pretty impressive. Yeah, it's looking good. That's just one cut. A little bit of scalpy along here. I was actually going to lift the height of cut up a little bit, but I got started and I forgot. So here's what it is. It's not going to hurt. I'm going to be away for a week. So see if me mate Hayden can mow it for me. Hayden, if you're watching this, can you mow my lawn while I'm away, please? And thank you. Alrighty, I'm thinking I might run around the outside with the power rotary scissors and then give it another cut. We might even go for a triple. See how it's looking after a double. We might put our safety boots on for this one. I absolutely love these power rotary scissors, and I love this Ego gear.
That we got for your birthday and Father's Day and that.
Best present ever. All right, what do you reckon? Another 1 or 2 cuts? Do you reckon the not a real mower's got enough fuel in it for another 2 cuts?
No, I think I need to fill it back up.
Looks all right?
Yeah.
That third cut made a difference. It was definitely a little bit long in between mows, but all in all it's all right. I think we might be racing the weather now too. What do you reckon, Layla?
I need to get my minion mower undercover.
Yeah, good job. They're not made for the weather, are they?
No. Like, if you have one at home, don't keep out in the rain.
Absolutely not. So, yes, it's looking all right. I'm thinking I'll get all this stuff packed away. Can you hear the thunder? get this stuff packed away out the weather, and I might go and grab the Hortex sprayer and get a bit of soil wetter and seaweed secrets on here. Let it get washed in with the rain. All right, so we've got some
Special seaweed secrets.
Seaweed secrets from the plant doctor, Quantum H, and a bit of soil wetter.
And thunder. Maybe.
I reckon we'll get this down before it rains, Layla?
It is raining.
Frank's not real happy about it, is he? He's not a big fan of thunder, is he?
Nah. He tries to get inside.
Hide in the shower. It's the only time he wants to be inside, when there's thunder.
Yep.
Look, he's scratching out the door.
The thunder's getting louder.
I don't know about you, Layla, but I think we're going to get this done just in time.
Yeah, I think we could.
Should we put a bit of this on the marigold?
Yeah.
A little bit of...
Help. Hopefully that will help him grow. Getting cloudy.
Is it going to rain?
It already has started raining.
What do you think of the lawn, Layla?
Looking good.
Pretty happy with it? Do you reckon it'll still be looking good when we get back from holiday?
Yeah.
What do you reckon that'll do for today?
Yep.
So what have we done? We've done our mow. We've got rid of our seed pod on the palm tree. Still got a heap more to go. Like I said, that'll happen when we get reminded of a big mess on the lawn again. Had a shot with the minion mower. We got down some soil amendments and some soil wetter, and I reckon that'll probably do for today. What do you reckon?
Yep.
If you like the video, please feel free to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one.
Cheers, legends.
Cheers, legends. Come back out here a bit later after the storm again, and I don't know, I must have had me beer goggles on before, because this is actually looking incredible. It's looking really, really good. Don't ask me what the height of cut is, because I have no idea. It looks alright. Doesn't it, cranky boy? All tough now, there's no thunder. Catch you, legends.